Hello guys, welcome to RS Codex. I hope you all are doing great. From today's video, we are going to start our CPP tutorial. If you are an absolute beginner and haven't written a single line of code before, don't worry. This course is for you. I will start from the very basic and explain the required programming fundamentals, cover the C concepts needed for CPP, and then move step by step to the advanced CPP topics. Okay, it's going to be very interesting, so stay tuned until the end. In this video, we will discuss what is a programming, what is the programming language, types of programming languages, and what is CPP. And another important thing is that C++ is also known as CPP. I commonly use as CPP. Okay, what is CPP and what are the differences between C and CPP? And another important thing is that what are the applications of CPP? Why it is more important when compared to C? What are the extensions? Okay, initially, what is the programming? A programming is a process of giving instructions to the computer to perform a specific task. Okay, it is a process to give the instructions to the computer. That process is known as programming. Okay, and a set of instructions written to solve a problem is known as a program. Okay, again I'm repeating, a set of instructions written to solve a problem is called a program. We all know that we written a program to solve some sort of problems, to perform some tasks. That set of instructions are known as a program. Okay, what is meant by the programming language? I said instructions that are given to the computer to perform a specific task. It is known as programming. No, the language that we use to give the instructions, that language is known as the programming language. It provides a set of rules and syntaxes for writing. You know, every language like C, CPP, Java, Python, these all have their individual rules and syntaxes. They are predefined. For suppose C language or CPP language is there, we should use only the lowercase. We should not use uppercase at any of the instance of using the predefined words. Okay, it provides a set of rules and syntaxes for writing. It has been predefined. Okay, they are fixed. Next, coming to the types of programming languages. What are the types of programming languages? Here you can see the programming languages are mainly classified into lower level language and higher level language. What is meant by this lower level language and higher level language? Here you can see lower level language are the closer to the machine language and provides high performance. Okay, there are two types of languages. One language is higher level language and another language is lower level language. Higher level language means the language which is been understandable by the humans, which is been understandable by the humans. It is been not understandable by the systems. The systems understand only lower level language. The lower level language is only been understandable by the systems. Okay, the higher level language is understandable by us. That means the systems can't understand the higher level language, we can't understand the lower level language. Actually, this lower level language comprises of zeros and ones. Higher level language, we all know how it will be. Okay, for that, here you can see example of lower level language is assembly language, whereas higher level language, all these languages, Python, Java, C, CPP, all these are considered as higher level language. For this, for suppose now C or CPP language is there. Now system is can understand only the lower level language. Humans can understand only the higher level language. Now how these two languages are combined? A bridge is being used. That is actually the compiler. In C and CPP, compiler acts as the bridge that translates the higher level language to lower level language and lower level language to the higher level language. It acts as the bridge between the humans, means us, and the systems. Okay, next, coming to what is CPP. This is actually important. CPP is a powerful general purpose programming language. It is a powerful language when compared to C. Why it is powerful, we will see when we go further. CPP was developed as an extension of C programming language. You can see the most of the syntaxes or most of the keywords that are being used in C are being used in CPP, but some extensions are being used. I will in detail explain what are the foundations that are required for CPP that we have to learn in C. Once listen, I will explain what are the foundations that are been present in the C that are been required for the CPP. I will explain in detail. Don't be worried about that. Another important thing that is very crucial is that CPP supports both the procedure and object oriented programming language. Whereas coming to C, it only supports only the programming language. Whereas coming to C, let me write. Whereas coming to C, it supports only procedure oriented. Procedure oriented. Okay, it's not nice. Leave it. Okay, in C, it will only there will be only procedure oriented programming, but whereas the CPP supports both procedure and object oriented. It is combination of C and the extensions. So it is CPP, C++, edition of C. Okay. Actually, this object oriented programming language is there. No, this is called as OOPS. 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 This is actually made this CPP more special when compared to C. Okay. CPP is known for its speed, performance, and flexibility. These three are the perfect aspects that why CPP is more efficient when compared to C. The speed is more, performance will be the more, and flexibility means changing the programs and reusability. This all will be more in CPP. Okay, let us see what are the differences between C and CPP. Here you can see. This is actually the C language. This is CPP, C++. Okay, these are the differences. First one is programming approach, top down approach. In C it is top down approach, whereas in CPP it is bottom up approach. Okay, the main focus in C is functions and procedures. There we will use functions and procedures, whereas coming to here, objects and classes. What is objects, what are classes, how it is used, we'll discuss in the further videos. As of now, try to memorize this. Otherwise, there is no necessity to memorize, but understand. Here you can see object oriented supports. I said it is only C is only meant for procedure oriented. It does not support object oriented. It fully supports. Class and objects are available. We have discussed. Inheritance. Inheritance is a feature. Here you can see some of the features that are available in C that are not been available in C language. C++, these are available. Inheritance means for suppose you are there, you inherit, you acquire some qualities from your parents. Either your face is in some part in your face, your eyes are similar to your mother or father, like that it is there. No, you are inheriting something from your ancients, that is your fathers or your father or mother or grandfather, like that. That is actually what inheritance. C does not support inheritance. That means it does not acquire data from the another classes, but in CPP it will be. Polymorphism also been supported in CPP. Function overloading, operator overloading, exceptional handling, namespaces. These all are the features. Here you can see class objects are not being used in the C, but it is useful in CPP. Okay. Inheritance, polymorphism, function overloading, operator overloading, exception handling, namespace supports. These all are additional features that are being added to C and converted it as a CPP. And another important thing is that data security. C is less secure, whereas CPP is more secure due to encapsulation. What is meant by this encapsulation? It hides, it wraps the entire data, and hidden means there are three access specifiers are being used. These all we will discuss in future further videos. Actually, encapsulation is also a feature of CPP that helps to increase the security. And another important thing is that input output functions. What is this input output function? Okay, printf and scanf. These are the input output functions. These helps us to send the input into the give the input to the system and take the output. In in C language, printf and scanf are used for that purpose, whereas in CPP, cin, these are used as input output functions. Another important thing is that memory management. This uses malloc, free, call lock, real lock will be there. Okay. Whereas coming to here, new delete, only two. What is the purpose of this new and delete, and what are the different features we have discussed now? Inheritance is a feature, polymorphism, function overloading, operator overloading, exception handling, namespace, and memory management, class objects. These are all we will discuss. These are all the features that made another important encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation is also an important feature of CPP. There are still some features that I haven't discussed, but these all made this CPP further increase its speed, performance, and flexibility as well, and security as well. Okay, these are the differences between C and CPP. Okay, here you can see the applications of CPP. There are wide variety of applications. You can see these are used in operators, browsers, graphics, database, softwares, libraries, cloud computing, compilers, games, and scanning. GUI based applications also. These are some of the applications of CPP. There are wide variety of applications as it is an object oriented programming. Java is also an object oriented programming. Okay, these helps us to create some real life applications. Okay, these all are the applications of the CPP. Okay, in this video we have discussed what is programming, what is the programming languages, what types of programming languages, what is CPP, what are the differences between C and CPP, what are the features of CPP, that is inheritance, polymorphism, function overloading, operator overloading, exception handling, namespace, data security, encapsulation. These are all of the some of the features of CPP, and these are the applications of CPP. Okay, I hope you have some information related to this C++. If you feel the video is informative, please like the video and share with your friends, and subscribe for the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.